Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
A 75 kg snowboarder has an initial velocity of 570 mph at the top of a 28-degree incline. Figure 5-36 after sliding down the 110 m long incline on which the coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.18. The snowboarder has attained a velocity v. The snowboarder then slides along a flat surface on which 0.15 and comes to rest after a distance x. Use Newton's second law to find the snowboarder's acceleration while on the incline and while on the flat surface. Then use these accelerations to determine x. Correct answer is the acceleration of the snowboarder on the incline is 12.39 m/s2 and on the flat surface is 0.97 m/s2. The distance x is 22.7 m.
So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.